Where do I find a Shopify tracking number? So here, let's say that you got some orders and you want to add a tracking number to them. So I'm going to do this as an example, and I'll just click on fulfill item here. And you will see the section for tracking number, but you're wondering what your tracking number is. So this really depends on the type of shipping and your business model. So for example, if you're using a third-party shipping service, then as soon as somebody books your product here, you will get a confirmation email with the tracking number. So basically you want to check your email here, and then you will get your tracking number from within your email associated with the packing and actually delivery courier. So depending on what shipping carrier you use here, then you will get a code on your email, and you want to paste this code right here, and then people will be able to track your or their orders through this number. So I hope this made sense. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.